Just walking down Nathan Road in Tsim Sha Tsui, which is that wonderful little hub of energy that sits at the bottom of the Kowloon Peninsula here in Hong Kong. And it's just a brilliant place. It's absolutely shopper's paradise. Every time I've been here, I've been gripped by some kind of mania that makes me want to go out and buy things. The last time I was here, I bought this video camera that I'm actually holding now. In fact, I might have bought it for a shop just around here somewhere, actually. Somewhere along here, anyway. Well, this morning I went out and bought clothes. I've been wearing the same shirt for about a month, so I figured it was about time I bought some clothes. Still, I think I got off pretty lightly. You know, I could have come out with a DVD player or a digital camera or something. So, anyway, I've still got 24 hours to survive, so I might do something rash, yes, anyway. Yeah, Nathan Road. Just going to go have a wander around, actually. It's such a vital and energetic, unbelievably energetic place. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I love it. The atmosphere here is just ace. It's actually midwinter here, so everyone's walking around in coats and things, but I'm walking around in a shirt, and I'm boiling hot. I am so warm. I love the way the signs just sort of almost take away the sky. You know, the entire street is completely roofed in with these sort of signs, you know. We'll go have a wander down. Oh, there's the mosque. Oh yeah, you can't see the mosque, but it's right behind me. And Kowloon Park here. Kowloon Park's just behind me. And down there is Tsim Sha Tsui Centre. And behind me here, which you can't really see, there's a minaret actually, is the mosque, the central mosque for Hong Kong. What a bizarre thing to have, really, but there you go, there's an Islamic community here. And over there, in front of me there, that sort of thing behind the big echo sign, is a place called Chungking Mansions, which is an absolute labyrinth. It's like 16 floors of traders and clothes sellers and watch sellers and all sorts. It's absolutely brilliant. I went in there this morning to try and find an internet cafe, and I had this. There was like an Indian guy selling all his food, and I had this absolutely amazing vegetable chili thing and vegetable samosa. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was brilliant. So that was my breakfast. I had an Indian for breakfast. Well, Indian food for breakfast. Obviously not Indian for breakfast. It's quite different. Yeah, I was walking down the street here, and I know what street I'm on now. I have no idea. This is Hapong Road. I'm going to walk up and then just round past the Regency. Past traders and clothes shops and the all-encompassing hardware, consumer durables type shops and places. I've walked down here. Look like this sign. Perfect Custom Tailors Limited. They have amazingly descriptive names, like you have this sort of a very lucky betting shop and a very good restaurant and that sort of thing. It's amazing. They think these wonderful names to places. You know, I'm trying to think of some of the other ones that were excellent. Very reliable jeweller and things like that. It's great. What was that one? That was very good. What was that one called? Perfect Custom Suit Making or something. It was great. Such a wonderful place. Really, it's amazingly energetic. It wears you out walking around here. Not only because it's like quite warm. Well, it's not actually that warm. I'm a bit sweaty that, but it wears you out. I was here in July. It was chaotic, and it was about 35 degrees and about 100 million% humidity. I couldn't survive about more than an hour. but yeah, oh, it's brilliant. Foot massage. You want your foot massage? You can have your foot massage. Such a good place. And my hotel is the Kowloon Hotel, which is right in amongst this. Now it's just off Nathan Road down the way there. It's just such a super place. I've walked down here, walk back down to Nathan Road again. Nathan Road again. Whoa! Chungking Mansions. waving at me. God, it's a good job I'm not going to see these people again, am I? Never mind. It's a nice place. It's massive, it's huge, it's floors and floors and floors and floors and floors. Just a little boutique place, isn't it? It's amazing. It's like a little bit market gone mad. The noises you hear, the Indian music there. People don't mind being filmed. I'd say it goes up for like 16 floors or something. It really is amazing. And there's like restaurants in here, and there's like hostels in here, and there's like, it's just this most amazing complex. I'll go back out now before people get excited about being filmed. Probably feeling dizzy with me walking around like this. No, let's go back out onto the street and then that'll be it. I tried to get in touch with my friend Steve Holmes today. But all I know is his name's Steve Holmes and he works in the computer section for the Hong Kong police. So I bravely walked into the Tsim Sha Tsui police headquarters and asked very nicely if they knew it was Steve Holmes, which they didn't. And they weren't very forthcoming with information either. So I guess I'm not going to be able to catch up with Stevie another time, another universe. And looking south now, down Nathan Road. No thanks. And actually you can see over there, that's the island actually, behind there, that skyscraper there, that's actually on Hong Kong Island, that's inside the water. So, and the clock tower that I was videoing yesterday just around the corner from the bottom here at Nathan Road. And my hotel is that building there. That's the Kowloon Hotel. Which is pretty cool. Now I've got to walk all the way down to the bottom here before I can actually cross the road. So, yeah. Tsim Sha Tsui. Oh, sorry, did I get that right? Tsim Sha Tsui, Kowloon.